What is up, everybody? How you doing? I wanted to jump in here real quick before the video got started. You start fast forwarding it through the boring parts, but I just assume everybody knows how this product's to be used. It's designed and intended to be used in a foam cannon. I use a hand pump IK Foam Pro 2 sprayer, and you'll see when I start spraying it on the truck that I cover probably about 85%. It's nothing like what a foam cannon would do. I think I would have got better results this time if I would have used a foam cannon, but I just don't have it like that. With that being said, I'm extremely happy with how this product is, what it does. It does exactly what it says, and I'm sure if I would have taken my time, sprayed it on there a little bit better, I would have got much more better result. The first time I used it, it was in between washes. It was warm out. I had driven the truck in the rain for a few days. Sprayed it on there, rinsed it off just like they said, and it looked about 90-95% as good as if I had used a wash mitt. So like I said, I'm extremely happy with this product. Check out the video, see how it is in a real world situation. What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be going and cleaning the truck. It's got salt and all that all over it, and we're going to be using the Chem Stars and Stripes touchless car wash soap. So I've used it 2 times before and had pretty good results. It's not going to get the truck as clean as if you had washed it with a mitt, but it's 32 degrees out there. I really don't want to be putting my hand in wash mitt and water and all that. I want to be out there as little as possible, but I do want to get as much off the truck as possible. So what I have here is the Stars and Stripes, and I have it pre-diluted. Well, not pre-diluted, but I diluted it and put it in there. So I'm going to use my 2 IK foamers, and I'll have to go to the quarter car wash because I don't have access to a hose and water here at my condo. I'm not allowed to wash our vehicles here. But what I'll do is I'll fill up my foamers here and head up to the quarter car wash, and we'll take a look at the truck before and after, and see how good you can get with only using the pressure washer hose from the quarter car wash. So stay tuned. Okay, so how this product works is you foam the vehicle with the stars part, the blue here first, and then while the foam's still on the truck, you'll foam it again the second time right over top of it with the red part, and that gives the dirt some sort of pH shock, and then you just rinse it down with the pressure washer, and comes right off. So let's get our jugs filled up and head out to the car wash. All right, so we're out here. Let's take a quick walk around the truck, see how much salt and all that's on there. So as you can see, it's pretty covered up, and we all know that just using the pressure washer at the quarter car wash, I mean, it'll get most of the salt off, but you'll still see it. You understand how it works. So let's run up there and get it cleaned real quick and see how well this touchless foam soap does. like everybody has the same idea. Somewhat nice today, get all the salt off their car. So it's gonna be a little while. All right, so what we're gonna do here is, since I don't want to hold too many people up, what I'm gonna do is rinse the truck off, and then I'm going to go with the blue foam the, I don't know how I'll do it, probably just the bed first. Do that, and then after I foam it with the blue one, then I'll foam it with the red one, then I'll rinse that off, and I'll go around the truck like that. Not trying to hold anybody up. I will be here for probably 15 minutes at least. I'm gonna throw 15 minutes worth of time in there, and we'll go from there. But I didn't want to be explaining anything in the bay, but that's how we'll do it, and we'll go from there. All right, so we got home. All I did was spray it off. I didn't touch it with a towel, just drove home. And of course it's not going to be perfect, but let's take a look at it and see what it did. And then some of that spray is just from the road, driving down the road. Obviously, I mean, like I said, it's not perfect, but for what I did and or didn't do, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. Wheels, you see I don't know if you can see the inside of the barrel where I didn't really get, as opposed to the outside. Let's see if we can kick that up. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job for not touching the vehicle at all with a wash mitt or anything. That's all I'm looking for right now, is to get most of it off. Obviously, when it gets warmer and the snow's gone and the salt's gone, we'll hit it with a wash mitt and make it look real good. Hit it with some polish or whatever afterwards, and just make the truck work real good this summer. But as of right now, for the winter, getting most of the stuff off, I think the product does exactly what it says it's going to do, and it meets my expectations, and I'll definitely buy some more. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever, and I'll see you on the next adventure.